So after the machine has cut the nylon and seal, now you're going to make it look in a package format before distribution. So watch as it goes. Okay, you see how the scissors is being placed. So you're gonna cut this way. Okay. Yeah, when you're doing this, you have to place your scissors well to avoid this kind of delay. Then cut it now. You can see now. You can see how it look now. See that it looks like more of nylon. See? So you see that? See, very clean. Set for distribution. Then you can now put the rest inside. See that? So that's how it goes. This is how you will cut all. If you have the required pieces you want. Now you see that again. Okay, that's not cool enough. So that's how you're going to make yours to answer to the market women. If you have any question, feel free to visit my website or chat me up. Surely I'll attend to you. Thank you.